Jai Sriman. Now look at Kausalya Mata. She has only one son. That son is sent to the forest by you. How much troublesome time she is going through now. How much she must be suffering to see her own son is living in the dense forest. This is what is the huge sin that you have committed. O Kaikeyi, for the sin that you have committed, you will be crying as long as you are in this body on this earth, and also after you depart from this body, whichever the lokam that you are going to go, you will definitely cry there also. To that extent, you have troubled Kausalya Mata. Like this, Bharata is scolding Kaikeyi. Bharata, with so much of upset and angry towards his mother Kaikamma, he is saying, "O Kaikeyi, I am going to be completely giving this kingdom to my brother Sri Ramachandra Swami. Then I will fulfill all the final rights of my father Dasaratha Maharaju. Like that, I will do regression activity for all the sin that you have done. And I will try to get rid of all the defame that you brought to me. Ho Kaikeyi, Anayayitva Tanayam, Kausalyaya Mahabalam. I will bring Sri Ramachandra Swami here, and I will have Ramachandra Swami take this kingdom. Then Swayameva Pravekshyami Vanam Muninishevitam. Then I will enter into Dandakaranyam. I will live there in the forest. Ho Papatmurala, ho sinful lady, ho Kaikeyi, look at all the citizens of Ayodhya. Everyone's eyes are filled up with tears. With those tears, they are looking at me. So innocent people, they are unable to bear the separation from Ramachandra Swami. With that kind of heavy hearts and with so much of filled up tears, they are looking at me. That much of papam you have done, and you put all that papam on me. I cannot bear that much of sin, Ho Kaikeyi. How much of terrible sin you have committed. Do you realize that? I don't know why you are even alive after doing so much of big sin. You should now jump into fire. Otherwise, at least you should commit suicide, hang yourself. Rajjum badhanava kanthe. You should hang yourself. Or you just go into the forest and start living over there. There is no other regression for the sin that you have done other than either hanging or jumping into fire or going into a forest and living over there. Like this, Bharata scolding, shouting at his mother Kaikeyi, and Bharata is moving like anything and terribly shaking, and Itinagaivaranye, like a big serpent. He is heavily breathing and his eyes got so much red, and all of his garments, cloths are going here and there. All his ornaments are just sprinkled everywhere, and he just fell down on the floor after shouting and shouting. Then after a while he got up. Slowly he started opening his eyes. By then, Sumantra and all other ministers and Purohitas came down over there, realizing that Bharata already reached the kingdom. So they came here to see Bharata. Now Bharata has seen all these mantris and Purohitas. Then in front of them again Bharata, he started scolding, shouting at his mother Kaikeyi, and also he is making sure that all these ministers and Purohitas should realize that I do not have any kind of involvement in this big sinful action. He is saying that Rajyam na kamaye. Oh my dear ministers, oh my dear Purohitas, I never asked for Rajyam, I never asked for kingdom. Jatu mantraye napi mataram. I never had any sort of discussion with my mom about this kingdom and about getting coronated to this kingdom at all. Please believe me, Vanavasam na janami Ramasya. I have no idea, I have no clue what is going on here. I am not at all involved in sending Rama into the forest. I am not at all involved in sending Sitamma, Lakshmana into the forest. Like that, he is trying to prove himself that he is not involved in this entire episode. He is trying to prove it to the ministers and Purohitas. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.